Welcome back to As in the Heart, the Ogbonge program when senior every other program inside Obodo, Nigeria. Sake of say all of the issues when they affect us inside this country. Now we they discuss and we they give you the license to chook mouth inside. We see they collect phone calls so that you self go call in. Talk your mind as you get to do with all of the action to do what happen for inside Obodo, Nigeria for this week when pass so that those who they lead us go do the right thing and move this our country forward. It gets one particular issue when we say they vex me. Another issue now I go talk about because it be like say most times when we talk the matter go just come be like say they don't hear but we never begin to see action. I believe say for this country we suppose not reach the level when we say that particular report when come out say 450 Nigerian children die for 28 different internally displaced persons camps for Borno State for the year 2015. Saying that something when we say we go down here official statement on the part of our government. That, yeah. We go down here official statement on the part of the Borno State government. And we go down here official statement on the part of different states where we get internally displaced persons. Make them explain, okay, yeah, so this particular problem now what we deal with, but see so thing when we don't do. But it be like say somehow, just like the story take enter news, the thing don't go. 450 Nigerian children is an outrageous sum. And I believe say as Nigerians, all of us supposed shout, raise our voice, say, people when we say they don't lose their homes because of Boko Haram Jaguda badness, they don't lose their job, and then they are the mercy of everything when we as a country we give them. We can't get children when we say still they die based on say they don't see better food chop. It is something that we should address. It is something that we should talk about. It is something that we should cry about, and it is something that every Nigerian must discuss.
And we'll know how bitter you did. I'll go. Good morning, okay? Calling us from Warri. Okay, good morning. Okay, you there? Hello? Bila say, okay, no, they connected. I beg, would they tell her? I beg, okay, we'll get another caller right now. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, what will be your name and where they call us from?
My name is John from Oshodi.
Okay, John, right on, will they hear you?
Why they try to keep for screen now? John, they talk.
Continue. We don't hear say that you be John. Continue.
I say continue.
Okay.
We will change that, no worry.
Concerning that bomb that police people
discover, yes.
How you go discover bomb? Still carry the bomb, keep inside police station. Put bomb inside police station. For example, you got to go there. If snake come inside your house, you go fit stay.
I no go fit stay.
It depends if you know the experience to kill snake. Me I go fit stay if I get the experience to kill snake.
Which kind of experience you get?
We differ.
Experience for darkness, well, like you know, the Nigeria snake come inside your house. You say you go fit stay because you get experience. You get touch for back head, you get for side. Not only one side they take see.
Okay, John,
you dey hear?
I dey hear you.
Okay, this one na mistake when we say now wetin we dey call one-off, that is to say no be today this particular police anti-bomb unit they try carry bomb when Boko Haram Jaguda people don't throw for certain places, they can't defuse them. But it just dey unfortunate say this particular one happen. But like you don't talk, no be until bad thing happen before we go dey do wetin dey very very right. Now if you don't carry bomb from place where we say Boko Haram Jaguda people don't put them, we suppose don't reach the level where we say at least anywhere where you dey carry that thing go, e no go fit cause grave body harm, or e no go fit be dangerous thing to people when they around there. Because take for example, if to say more people dey that particular police station, the thing for the consequence for still dey very
but
very high.
But another thing say even in the right, it should be get anti-bomb squad. So whose responsibility?
Na anti-bomb unit.
Okay,
anti-bomb unit with this.
So but then it's just as you talk, if the anti-bomb unit, it gets a specific place where we say, okay, see where we dey carry out this kind of responsibility. Okay, see where we go this, rather than say if they carry enter where people dey. Of course, anything fit happen because that's why in trying to diffuse a particular bomb, the scene, anything still fit happen. And now for you to make sure say you no carry and go where you go implicate, you go cause more casualties. Rather, take carry and go where if you see yes, you go feel deal with it. They relax to say you want diffuse them. Now wetin be the thing? We believe say at least they go don learn from this one, and then subsequently they go feel carry when such cases come up, they will feel know as they will take do it, handle them well and handle them sincerely well. Chukudi, we also Oga Igbo also mentioned the same issue. So, but back to waiting one of these major things where Oga Igbo talk about and the issue of diversification. If you look you go say yes. He mentioned that the steel companies will get we don't hear about the Ajaokuta steel company where we say for years it don't they were abandoned. We don't hear say they go bring them back, then go bring them back. Past administration don't address it, they will bring them back. But your plus say every 2 weeks they talk, then just leave service to these things. In the end, if you just say, okay, we will channel this particular fund to bring back these things, so that at least they will create more jobs for people. We have industry that we say yes, then they would generate money for us. But how come we as a leader, or probably we as Nigerians, or the government, no even say, okay, since we get this thing, how come we can't waste our time on that? Make Ukuma invest money into it so that this thing will create jobs. You go fit to at least help us. They sell this product within and outside our country. In the end, nobody us go the money go they come into. At least now us go still eventually use the money channel into areas where we say it will still be effective.
Very true.
I mean, if at this stage we never feel say okay, see where we get our focus, see where we they go. Where else? I mean, how we want to take startup? Because we really need to be focused. We get okay. They call us back from worry. Good morning, okay.
I beg, now it might be okay. Sir, I'll be so come, I'll be Igbo man.
Okay, we know, but that no means okay, no feed for worry now.
No, okay, na rat, I beg, I say here for Igbo side, so okay,
no, okay, Chuku. Okay, we dey hear you.
Okay, see, what I want to shoot my voice on this matter, and this dollar issue, understand?
Okay.
But we were there for this Nigeria, so we don't the value of our thing. Even this our Naira, we don't the value this Naira. Why we go there for Nigeria here with the pay person in dollars? Because in a foreigner. Not in Nigeria easy. The money where they pay for dollars, they will convert and put up for the Naira amount, give a Naira. When they go in country, make national to dollar for you. This person come out for this country now, go America now. Now America, they go start to come for Nigeria, when they pay me Naira, they go drink. Why be say for a year now, we can't do for our own country now, because they pay person in dollar. That was that now, it makes sense. We say, we know the value what we get. Then for that bomb issue, my brother, we Nigeria, this Nigeria with this, we know they try at all. Why you go open your eye? You know, say you not get the right equipment. You can't do finish. Guy bomb, put for inside office, they refuse every say you don't get the space.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I hear you.
Continue. The team being shake.
Okay. I go and say you want to defuse bomb where the right equipment not dead there. You see life dead there. We don't value our life because they do nonsense. You know, we say people that don't die beside the business.
Hey, okay, I beg, if you go get the opportunity to call us back, try call us back, but we don't get your important points. You don't discuss two major issues, and the one way you talk we get to do with the fact, say, and not be just, we say we all carry bomb when we cause problem, go drop inside police station. Say we suppose to do things the way we supposed to do, and we get Oga Okay from Calabar. Oga Okay, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukode.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nkobe.
Good morning.
I wish you a happy weekend, though.
We wish you the same.
Okay, make us much more.
Okay.
First of all, I pray for the souls of those policemen who don't pass away. May they find a rest, the Lord. Make a talk. You know, now you don't find out, say, they were bomb day, and now you want to go carry them. Why are you taking it to the police station? Meanwhile, you know, say, they're dangerous. We Niger, we know say we are not experts, but we they try make us like we don't become experts. We know everything. No.
Even though in their expertise, at least small mistake they still happen in their cases sometimes.
It happen, but not be so. Now, no, our own we too they careless. You know, their own they know what they are doing. Now that's what they talk about. When you know say this person knows they perfect on this thing, you carry and go push inside that place. And at the end of the day, cause problem where they irreparable. Again, make I head to the displaced camp where children they die. Nigeria, no, they use our money, do what they necessary to do. How you go bring children, when they feed them with the same thing we they use feed adults. Now they use feed children. In fact, children, the belly just be like nylon. The more they put an actually they open. You know, they need adequate feeding, taken care of. But Nigeria here, now those things when not they necessary, now we they spend our money for. In fact, I know if you talk, but my own thing is, my own prayer be say God will continue to bring people who get wisdom for this Nigeria because they keep on shouting leaders of tomorrow, leaders of tomorrow. If they don't give us that leaders of tomorrow, if they know, in fact, carry the post, give those leaders of tomorrow. I don't see Nigeria being better to that tomorrow where they think. Thank you, and may God continue to bless
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate them, and I did very, very happy say you identify this particular issue as something when we say we need to discuss and find lasting solution to this particular problem. Because if it just be like say we carry people put for somewhere, say there be internally displaced persons, it can't be like say there be second-class citizens, and then they just they barely survive for this our country. The thing will cause some even more serious problems because these extremists when they go around. They brainwash people. They go tell you say, okay, see the country when talk say they love you. See the way when they treat you. Why you don't come join us so that we go fit establish our own caliphate. So it go dey very, very good. Make we do waiting they very, very right. Healthcare, better nutrition, education, security, safety, everything when go make people when they internally displaced persons camps live like say they be real human being. Now something when we say we supposed to ensure say they get access to this one. And you get another very sad incident when we play out earlier this week. One human being enter inside internally displaced persons camp with a motto, go thief bags of rice. We can't ask ourselves, say most times we go sit back, they blame government for everything. But human being, not be government, or maybe because of say him be big man when he enter inside the camp, enter go thief bags of rice. How you go they rob people when no get things to chop well? Go rob them. What do you want use the thing do? So it go dey very, very important when if we dey talk say government, if we dey talk say Nigerians, it go good make we do wetin dey right because we self now we be the government when we dey also talk about. We get Tracy. She dey call us all the way from Agbara. Tracy, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chukudi Anukobi.
Good morning, Tracy.
So we have a lot of nutritionists in this country. We're supposed to know what children are supposed to. Even when you born pikin as a mama, you know say the food when pikin they chop different from the one when adult.
Yes.
Our governor went there for that state. He's supposed to tell the state for that nutritionist. When we give these children some multivitamins, because if then the children food not hard now to give them when they will take bounce back to life. This is just a case of putting just carelessness on their part. People just they die every day for this country because of small carelessness, which is not supposed to be at all. As for the police and the bomb story, we they watch out for film. As they carry the bomb come out there, the story never complete. I'm very sure maybe they wanted to go and test it. They don't denotate them before they carry and reach police station. You know, we call a human hero, but make it not happen again. People don't die now. That is the end of the story. They are all now statistics. 7 people died. That's statistics. So now, agriculture, no agriculture, economic team and no economic team. What did they don't put for them to take cushion the effect of the suffering for the poor people before this economic team will start? Once that agriculture, if we start agriculture today, tomatoes go grow today, rice go grow today. We never put anything for that. All this one are just talk. When will we start doing the work first? Put everything, because our hope would rise the fall. Rise the fall. When I small, when I did primary school, get one song when they sing, 1970, we heard better education for Nigeria, child, better decision. That 1979, I can't say anything. I don't be 49 years now. I never see anything when government rubbish will come to pass. I think God beg government. Make them try. Because people they die, yo. Now the people will die, we don't know the number. People are dying silently.
No, yes.
Gonna have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you very much, Madam Tracy. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. As you sing that song, say 1979. I've been there talk when you been there talk. I've been there talk about mama say you be like person when me say you be class captain from nursery school. You be head girl for primary and secondary school.
Madam Tracy don't talk. You don't advise us. You don't advise our leaders. You don't advise viewers. So the next now to move forward. We don't hear me and they also moved. We get Samuel. Samuel they call us from Warri. Good morning.
So
Samuel.
you miss all the thing when she talk. No,
nobody talk to. Good morning, Samuel.
Good morning, Kobe. Good morning, Chukudi.
Oga Samuel, we dey greet you. How Warri this morning?
Very cool. I'm Pastor Samuel.
Okay.
Pastor Samuel, welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah.
I better contribute to hear you.
My contribution this morning is
I wonder how can somebody drive motor, enter internally displaced people camp.
Go carry what is carry.
Go carry their rice, carry their food, come out. Does it mean that security, they there?
And even the officials, when they're in charge of the food.
The officials, they there. That means inside the
that same camp, you get person way in and they work hand in hand.
People that are corrupt are there. This country, they like invest on their people at all. In fact, they want to see people dying in this country every day. That's what our leaders are looking for. I beg, look at us tell them. Now we make this country still exist. If they destroy everybody the way they this country, which country then will lead again? I beg, not going to help us. They entertain us. Every day we keep hearing different news, bad news. They know they see us say one good news come. We're going to help us talk to them.
Thank you very much, Pastor Samuel.
God will bless you and God will
and you too.
Amen.
Thank you very much,
Pastor Samuel. Thank you very much for this your important contribution and the prayer when you don't carry cap up everything when you don't talk. It go dey good make we identify this particular issue like you don't talk. How person find them easy to drive motor, enter internally displaced person's car.
Then see the person.
But if to say he know they do the thing before how we go take talker?
And the fact will be say this person will talk about. Okay, he get car. Okay, ordinarily, anybody will get car, official, yeah, this person not chop belly full. For you to even get delivered, say they enter displaced people's camp, because they won't come do anything, carry food, where we say, you never even reach them. If they cry out here, say people never chop for camp, and then somebody get delivered, if not, a lot of things go play out. Obviously, you get people where we say, where they inside that same camp, where then they work hand in hand, where say, okay, see the way we go take do anything, see the way we go take enter, see the way we go take, see the sell something carry. And by the time you carry them, maybe now sell it, they go sell them, I mean they go give them to a family member. Only God know. But the fact say you come enter camp, come carry something in the first place. Come on now waiting.
Now wickedness. Now act of wickedness. Now and it go very, very good make all of us as Nigerians. If we even talk say government do this, government no do this one. It go very important make we as a people get heart, get conscience. Because if we blame those when the government and person because he get motor, he enter like this person's camp, come pack rice, say one carry and go. Now badness. Quickly, we go rush enter inside this market. We know they sneak enter. We go carry confidence enter inside this market. When we go the market, come back. We'll continue our discussion and stay concerned. All of the Ogbonge Tori when we start with this week. Don't go anywhere. Now, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. Now, I see the hot and we they come back. We they Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. From where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top of the show. Now we see today, and we discuss all of the action story when we carry come from Monday, go reach Thursday, plus the small chops, the latest ones when we say the current. We could start from the ones when we say the current. We talk about the fact say INEC come out, come announce say elections for inside Ondo and Edo go happen for September and November respectively. And Nigerians don't tell them say as we don't announce this one early enough, we could begin to prepare so that the good people of Ondo and Edo State go come out, vote for their choice, and the person go really represent them and we no get issue of say this one happen, that one no happen, or violence happen, just like what it happened for Bayelsa and inside Kogi State. We also talk about the bomb explosion when it happened inside the police anti-bomb unit for inside Adamawa State. The good thing about this one, I say, our police anti-bomb unit, they enter inside where Boko Haram Chakuda people drop this bomb, then carry and come out. But maybe now in the process of diffusing the bomb, that is, to dismantle and medicine, if it cause any harm, anything happen. And people don't come and contact say, we supposed to do the right thing. We know say some kind of freak accidents they happen, but it go good make we do things when we say we don't go place people for danger. This same week when pass, so we've been discuss the 2016 budget and the padding and the one when we say don't talk say as if they come back from Saudi Arabia, so many heads go roll. People when we say their hand follow inside this nonsense what happened inside our 2016 budget. We also talk about the buy Niger to grow the naira and the fact say not be just lip service, we must do action to ensure that. On Tuesday, the one who you stop up everything from the action to what happened this week, Professor Wole Soyinka when Nkari Wakago meet the Honorable Minister of Information tell and say our economy don't reach the level where we say we need to do something very, very urgent or else the thing will cause serious problem for inside Obodo, Nigeria.
Yeah, Chukwudi, you mentioned about this thing, Edo State and Ondo State elections, and Going by the last election, we don't see under this new leadership of Oga Mahmoud Yakub, we go see say yes, somehow. We say okay, what to what now? Better continuity from the last INEC chairman, where Atahiru Jega, at least to this current one. What do they anticipate? Okay, now something we say at least go they far better off than what we get in the past. Even if we say yes, we still give Atahiru Jega a very good mark. Say the election we conduct the last election he conduct, say he did very, very good. Before we go further on this matter, we will collect this call from Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning.
Good morning, Okubi.
Good morning.
Shukudi, good morning.
Oga Bobby, I greet you.
Anyway, ma just touched some of the topic one I drop, so ma make a sharp.
Feel free.
Concerning the bomb phone, I think it's an error from the police. They never get training to that extent of how to do after you see such of something like that. Where to take out to. You don't need to put up on your public day because it's small something for your touch and they go off. You understand me now? So now somewhere they keep something like that. They put up.
Oga Bobby.
It not go affect people. I think that's a training where they need to give the Nigeria police them,
Okay.
Concerning all those kind of things there. Then aspect of that rice and food where they miss for that count. I will tell you, say, from the gate man, person where they from the front of the gate to person where hold the key to the store, all of the day involved inside the matter.
Very true.
You understand me now? Because you know would tell me, say, let's say your drive car enter the place. Then he can't just open the door.
Open for
because definitely the key go there the door mat now. So he go just open the door, come carry rice, carry what you want carry put for inside car. Can't drive, come out. Nobody even help him. Only carry him for head. Be how in one pass. So that's story not the jail. Me they go. Me they involve police for the matter. Me they query the gate man.
Very true.
So those who they in charge of the key and all that.
If they talk about gate man, that is if that place they fence, if it is secured. Because in the same vein, we don't see cases of people who go come out. People will say they be members of the camp, come out, carry bomb, come inside the camp, come blow. So now I tell you say maybe security not even there in the first place.
No, security go there. But what did they try to talk about? The people when they in charge of security, whether he get fence or he no get fence. But those when we say they ensure say people they enter or they come out.
Wait first, so you want tell me now say if the place not get fence, but there's a major road where car they pass.
Very true.
Isn't it? So you want me now say from that entrance, now backyard they pass enter, not before they pass enter.
Okay.
So the backyard not go get a route for car to drive past now. And first car go drive past. So you want me now say person not there in charge, person not the front of the entrance.
People they in charge of how they go in and they go out. You they right.
So those people they involved.
Very true.
Now they know what they do. Now they be the people when arrange the whole thing to do. You understand me now? Because definitely now the people present they go open. You go say now the same people when they open the store, they carry food, they give them. Now they go open the thing. So people go feel okay. Now they do the whole thing. Now they carry the sack of rice and everything they put for inside the car. They go lock the place again. They call drive come out. That's what call drive come out. So people when they inside, they're not going to say now what did happen with that? You understand me now? So now what did happen for there?
Okay.
So we don't need to go in, no need to beat around for that matter. Then people will hold the key, now they're in charge of what happened for them. So me police hold them responsible. They hold them, at least confession will start.
Go call, exactly.
So now be the thing. Then the aspect of work, federal government they need to give a lot of hands away from a lot of things. Like our railway, we need to give out to private sector.
True.
You understand me now? Then our light, we need to give out to private sector fully. You need to be saying would they regulate how much people would they pay? That's what the federal government need to do about the light.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.